Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I will teach to all of you chemistry of class 9. Of class 9, lesson 1, chapter name is matter in our surrounding. Chapter name is matter in our surrounding. This is the first chapter of your science book. That means first chapter is chemistry and chapter name is matter in our surrounding. First I will explain what is matter. What is matter? First I will explain what is matter. Matter क्या है? Anything that has mass and occupy a space is called matter. Anything that is mass and occupy the space is called matter. For example, milk, air, pen, boards, nitrogen gas, sugar, etc. All are matter. Milk is an example of matter. Also air is a matter, pen is a matter, boards, nitrogen gas and sugar. All are matters. How can you say that all are matters? Because all have mass. All have mass and all have occupied the space. So we can say that these are the example of matters. But a smell is a matter. A smell is a matter? Not. We can say that a smell is a not matter because a smell has no mass and no occupies a space. That means we can say that a smell is not example of matter. Why? Why we can say that a smell is not a matter? Because a smell has no mass and occupy a space. So we can say that a smell is not example of matter. Clear? But matter is made up of many particles. That means students, we can say that matter जो होता है वो कई कणों से मिलकर के होता है. Particles means कण and also matter means पदार्थ. Clear? Matter is made up of many particles. Matter is made up of many particles. That means we can say that there are many particles in a matter. If matter is made up of many particles, then we can say that there are many particles in your matter. Many particles, when many particles combine to each other, then to form a matter. When many particles combine to each other, then to form a matter. So we can say that there are many particles in matter. But matter exists in three different states. How many states of matter? Then we know that, and also I taught in previous class there are three different state of matter, that is solid, second liquid, and third is gas. Solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. Then we can find which are solid, which are liquid, and which are gas. First, I will explain about solid. Solid means ठोस, liquid means द्रव, and gas means gas. Students, solid. What is solid? A matter that has definite shape and definite volume. This is called solid. But in liquids, only definite volume but not definite shape. But in gas, not definite volume and not definite shape. That means solid shape, definite shape, and definite volume. Liquid has definite volume but not definite shape, and gas has not definite volume and not definite shape. Clear? So here find which are liquid, which are solid, and which are gas. Milk has definite volume but not definite shape. So we can say that milk is the example of liquid. Clear? And air has not definite volume and not definite shape. So this is a gas. Example of gas. And pen is solid, and board also. This is board. This is solid. Clear? And nitrogen gas. Clear? This is gas. That means gas. And sugar also. Sugar has definite shape and definite volume. So we can say that sugar is example of solid. Clear? And in next class, I will teach to all of you in detail about the state of matters. Clear? But only here a few examples, right? After that, next point is characteristic of particles of matter. There are following characteristic of matter. There are following characteristic of particles of matter. First, particles of matter. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Second, particles of matter have a space between them. And third, particles of matter attract to each other. Students, there are three properties of particles of matter are continuously moving. This is very right. जो मैटर है, जो पार्टिकल्स का स्टूडेंट्स क्या करता है, कंटिन्यूस लगातार घूमते रहता है. क्लियर. सेकेंड, पार्टिकल और मैटर हैव अ स्पेस बिटवीन देम. कोई मैटर होता है, उसके जो पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं वो पार्टिकल के बीच में क्या होते हैं, स्पेस होते हैं. उस स्पेस का नाम क्या है, इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस. इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस. व्हाट इज इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस? द स्पेस बिटवीन two particles in a matter. This is called intermolecular space. For example, this is a clear lead. This is a solid matter. Its particles are closely packed to each other. Clear? These are the particles of matter, and this is the space. This space is called intermolecular space. Clear? That means we can say that the space between two particles. The space between two particles is called intermolecular space. And intermolecular space is the space between two particles. Clear? And third point is particles of matter attract to each other. These are the properties, that means characteristics of the particles of matter. Next point. Next is I am writing the questions. Clear? But you have to give me answer of my questions. This is the question. You have to find the students which are matter. There are following words here, but we have to find which are matter. Here is a matter, students. Yes, here is a matter because it has a space, it has mass and occupied space. So it is matter. This is matter. Here is a matter, students. Yes, this is matter. Love is not matter. Love is not matter. How can you say that love is not matter? Because it has no mass. Clear? So it is not matter. Not. Smell? No. Head? No. These are same. But almonds, that means badam. It is matter. And third, no. Called, no. And lemon is a matter because it has mass. So it is example of matter. So I write here yes. And water is a matter? Yes. Why? How can you say that water is a matter? Because water has mass and it occupies space. So water is a matter. But a smell of perfume is a matter. But a smell of perfume, not. It is not matter. Clear? This is the question, students, and also we are the answer of these questions. So today I completed what is matters and its particles, and after that also next class I will teach to all of you a state of matters and properties of matters and how we can convert the temperature of matters, that is a scale of matters, you know everybody. So these points I will explain in next class, that is in next video.